Hey, what's up, everyone? It's your boy M to the K. You welcome to the chat and beat. Most traders lose because they enter randomly. But this trade, there was a clear reason behind it. On the 4-hour chart, EURUSD is clearly bullish, creating higher lows and respecting this trend line. That already tells me I should be looking for buys, not sellers. Price pulled back into this demand zone, which is an area where institutions previously pushes price up. So now when I drop into the 15 minutes time frame, I didn't just enter. I waited for a confirmation, and that come with a break of a structure to the upside. So after that, price pulled back, giving me a cleaner entry instead of chasing. So I entered here on the pullback. My stop loss was placed below the demand zone because if price breaks that, the setup is invalid, and my take profit was set at previous high where liquidity is sitting. So what did you learn from this trade? This is what most beginners get wrong. They enter without confirmation. But here I combined higher time frame bias, demand zone, break of a structure, and a clean entry. That's what makes this a higher probability trade. No trading setup is 100%. Some win, some loses. Always use proper risk management. If you want more breakdown like this, make sure you subscribe. Join my free Telegram channel. I post all trades there like this. So let's see how it goes. I will be updating you guys. Peace.
My baby no man na me anymore. Make us some man me go part. Say you not think anymore. Say you not talk anymore. Say you not fight anymore.